Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you how to record your PC screen using Filmora video editing software. No matter the version you are using, follow this step and you are going to see how to record your screen with Filmora. However, I'm using Filmora 14 right here. So let's go. The next thing you want to do when you open up your Filmora software, go ahead and make sure you click on New Project. So having opened up a new template right here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here, click on here, and this will give you different options. So you can record from webcam, you can record from screen, or record voiceover. In this tutorial, we are mostly interested in record PC screen. Go ahead and select PC screen, and in a few seconds, this particular window here is going to come up. Now you have to set up the area you would like to record. For instance, if you want to record full screen, by default, the whole entire screen of your PC is going to be captured. However, if you have a custom settings, click on here and then make sure you go ahead and navigate to custom. Then you can see a display right here. So you can adjust the area you would like to record. Everything depends on you. Let's say, for instance, this little area I'm trying to drag is what I want to record, and it's going to give you the screen resolution of that particular record. So I'm going to switch back to full screen right here. Now, I'm capturing full screen of this window PC. And here, you can easily connect your microphone. Which is turned off, you can turn your microphone on. So once you turn on your microphone, click on here and choose your default microphone on your window PC. System audio should always disable. This is because you can't have two audio at the same time. So if you are using external mic, you have to make sure you disable system audio mic. Once you are done, go ahead and make sure you click to start recording. At the count of 3, 2, 1, the recording will start on your window PC. So whatever you are doing on your window PC here is going to be recorded. So whatever you click is going to be recorded. So when you are done with whatever you are recording so far, so if I open up a folder right here, it's going to be recorded. So when you are done with everything you want to record on your screen, come back down, come to the below right here, go ahead and bring out your window Filmora, then go ahead and click on record PC screen, then you have your record button right here. You can easily pause your record, or better still, you can go ahead and make sure you stop your record. Bring it back right here and click on this middle icon right here, which means stop. Once you stop your record, it will automatically be imported into your Filmora video editing software. So you have your recording tab right here. You can easily drag it into a workspace. Then you have your full recording right here. So just like so, you can see this is everything we are able to record using Filmora video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.